In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Facebook and Instagram profiles. That is quite simple and easy to do. So let's begin. First, we need to download and install Instagram and Facebook apps. And after that, you have to log into Facebook and Instagram accounts. That's the easiest way to link both of those profiles. Once you do that, you have to open up an account center. You can do it on Instagram and on Facebook as well. I'll show you both ways. On Instagram, just open Instagram. Then hit Add Profile Picture. Then menu icon, Settings, and here you can tap at Account Center. At Facebook, open up the Facebook app. Hit the menu. Hit the gear icon. And right here you can tap at the Account Center. That brings up the Account Center. As you can see, there are no connected Instagram profiles opposite to that profile where I got to my Instagram accounts. That is my personal account, and that's another one. And now let me show you how I can connect a Facebook page to any of those accounts. First, I have to do it right here. Hit on the Add Accounts button. And then select Add Facebook Account. On that step, just underneath the Account Center, it offers me to connect my Instagram account to my Facebook profile. That's because I have already logged into my Facebook account. If there are no suggested accounts here, or that's the wrong Facebook profile, you can hit Add Not You. On the next step, you have to enter Facebook login and password, and it connects Facebook profile to Account Center. But I'll just hit Continue because I want to connect to that specific Facebook profile. I'll tap Continue. Then add username. Then I have to wait for some time, about 10, maybe 20 seconds. Now it says that when you sync your profiles, it will keep your profiles updated by syncing your profile info. When your profile info is synced, any changes that you make will be reflected across Instagram and Facebook. People will be able to see and search for you with your name and username. You can hit right here at Manage Your Sync Settings and the setup which exact profile info to sync across Instagram and Facebook. It could be name, username, profile picture, and avatar. I don't want to make any changes here. Now your profile info is synced. You can see two accounts here. If you go back to your profiles, that profile contains Facebook and Instagram accounts connected to each other. You can now go out of here to your account center and tap at Sharing Across Profiles there. First, you have to select an account. I'll pick my personal Instagram account. And then I can select where exactly to share my Instagram content. It can be a Facebook profile or some Facebook pages. I can switch between those pages and profiles in that simple way. And also just down below here, I can set up what exactly types of content I wish to share. I can share my Instagram stories. I can share my Instagram posts or my Instagram reels. I can hit Add Setup. Then hit on allowing sharing Instagram reels to Facebook reels. I hope this video helps you guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Also, I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description.